How do laws about freedom of press differ in the UK and the US? Breaking news on a topic that affects us all. The laws surrounding freedom of the press in the United Kingdom and the United States. This is a hot topic as people are increasingly concerned about media freedom and government influence. If you are curious about how these laws impact the news you consume, you are in the right place. Let's break it down. In the United States, freedom of the press is strongly protected by the First Amendment to the Constitution. This amendment prohibits Congress from making laws that limit freedom of speech or the press. This means that the press operates with a high degree of independence from government interference. The legal system in the United States also provides strong protections against prior restraint, which is government censorship before publication. This allows journalists to report without fear of being silenced before their stories are out. However, there are limits. In cases of defamation, public figures must prove actual malice to hold the press liable for published content. This makes it harder for them to win such cases against the media. On the other hand, the United Kingdom does not have a single constitutional document that guarantees freedom of the press. Instead, press freedom is protected through common law and statutory laws. The Human Rights Act of 1998 incorporates the European Convention on Human Rights, which includes Article 10. This article guarantees freedom of expression but allows for restrictions that are necessary in a democratic society. These restrictions can include protecting national security and preventing disorder. This means that press freedom in the UK is subject to more limitations than in the United States. Recent legislation in the UK, like the Higher Education Freedom of Speech Act of 2023, aims to strengthen free speech protections. However, this act also includes regulatory mechanisms and potential sanctions for noncompliance. In the United States, political developments have raised concerns about press freedom in practice. The current administration's relationship with certain media outlets has sparked debate about the independence of the press. Despite these concerns, the legal protections for press freedom in the United States remains robust. In summary, the United States offers stronger constitutional protections for press freedom with fewer legal restrictions. Meanwhile, the United Kingdom's approach is more regulated and balanced against other societal interests.